students, welcome back to my lectures of class 12 physics. In the previous video, we have seen about electric potential due to a point charge and due to a group of charges. Okay, now here we will see electric potential due to an electric dipole. Electric dipole के बारे में हमने first chapter के अंदर पढ़ा था. It's a system of two charges of same magnitude but of opposite nature which are separated by some distance, that is called as electric dipole. वहाँ पर हमने एक electric dipole के लिए electric field density calculate की थी on axial line and also on the equatorial line. Now here we have the electric dipole and because of that dipole we have to calculate the electric potential at a point. लेकिन यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास दो points होंगे, that is on the axial point and on the equatorial point. So first of all, let us calculate the potential at axial point. Okay, for axial point we have to draw an electric dipole. Let us say we have an electric dipole. This is plus q charge. Here we have minus q charge. It is at point A, it is at point B, and this is the center O. And the distance between these two charges is 2a. That is an electric dipole. Now the axial line, that is the dipole is making an angle of 0 degree at a point. That point is called as an axial point. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पर एक axial point consider करना पड़ेगा. Just consider this point P to be the point where we have to calculate the electric potential, and this point P is at a distance of r from the center of the dipole. Dipole के center से लेकर point P तक की जो distance है वो कितनी हो गई, r हो गई. Okay, now first of all we'll calculate the electric potential due to charge at A. A पर जो charge है उसकी वजह से potential निकालेंगे हम कहाँ पर, point P पर. What is the formula for potential? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q, here we have charge, plus q by distance. Distance कहाँ से कहाँ तक, point A से लेकर point P तक की distance. So what will be the distance? Can I write it to be A plus R? Because here 2A, it can be divided into A plus A. So the total distance from A to P, that will be A plus R. So I can write it as A plus R. So potential at A is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by A plus R. Similarly, the electric potential at point P due to charge at B, VB कितना होगा? Here we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge here is minus q divided by the distance from B to P. I can write this distance as r minus, if I subtract this distance from r, I will get this distance. So I can write it as r minus A. It will be the potential due to charge at B at point P. Now here what will be the total potential at point P? This electric potential, it's a scalar quantity. So what will be the resultant potential? Resultant potential V at point P is equals to VA plus VB. That will be the total potential at that point. So how we can calculate that? We will put the value of VA and VB, that is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon naught A plus R plus VB is equals to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught R minus A. Okay, so I can write it as VP is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, यहाँ पर कितना हो जाएगा 1 by R plus A, और यहाँ पर माइनस है तो माइनस 1 by R minus A. Okay, so I will take LCM. VP is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, ये कितना हो जाएगा R plus A, R minus A, here R minus A minus of R plus A. So VP is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, ये हो जाएगा R minus A minus R minus A divided by A plus B, A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So R square minus A square, and here this plus R minus R gets cancelled. So I can write this VP is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, here in bracket minus 2A divided by R square minus A square. Okay, so here this VP is equals to minus q into 2A divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square. Now this q into 2a, that is electric dipole moment. So I can write electric dipole moment P is equals to q into 2a. So Vp is equals to minus P by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square. This is the electric potential at point P. लेकिन यहीं पर अगर हमारे पास एक शॉर्ट डायपोल होगा, then for a short dipole, अगर यहाँ पर डायपोल शॉर्ट है, इसका मतलब जो डिस्टेंस r है that is very large as compared to this distance a. So I can write a is very less than r. This distance a is very smaller, so I can neglect this a and I can write this a is equals to 0. So when I will put here a is equals to 0, then Vp is equals to minus P by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. This is what the potential at point P is. Now here what does this negative sign means? हमारे पास यहाँ पर ये जो Vp है, that is the electric potential, that's a scalar quantity. और स्केलर क्वांटिटी में यहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन ऐसा तो नहीं कोई डायरेक्शन रिप्रेजेंट करता होगा, तो यहाँ पर क्या है, दिस नेगेटिव मीन्स द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज डिक्रीजिंग एट दैट पॉइंट P. मतलब वहां पर पोटेंशियल क्या है, P पॉइंट पर वहां पर पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू क्या हो रही है, कम हो रही है. ओके, सो हियर नेगेटिव साइन रिप्रेजेंट्स द डिक्रीज इन Vp. Decrease in potential at point P. Now note down here one more thing, that here this Vp, when we are calculating this potential due to a point charge, उसके लिए क्या होता है, V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r, means that is inversely proportional to r. But यहाँ पर क्या है, for a dipole Vp is inversely proportional to r square. ऐसे हमने देखा था इन केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी, अगर पॉइंट चार्ज होता है तो उसके लिए क्या होता है, E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. लेकिन वहीं पर अगर हमारे पास एक शॉर्ट डायपोल होता है तो उसके लिए क्या होता है, E is equals to P by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. That is for axial and equatorial. एक के लिए 2p हो जाएगा, एक के लिए सिंपल p हो जाएगा, बट with the distance that is inversely proportional to r cube. तो यहाँ पर भी वही ट्रेंड है, मतलब सिंपल पॉइंट चार्ज के लिए अगर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू r होगा तो यहाँ पर फॉर शॉर्ट डायपोल it will be inversely proportional to the square of the distance. This is the potential due to a dipole on the axial line. Now after calculating the potential on the axial line due to a dipole, we will calculate at the equatorial point due to an electric dipole. So here let us consider an electric dipole. Here we have minus q charge and this point A. Here this point is B, the charge is plus q. Okay, here the center point is O and the distance between them is 2a. This is electric dipole. Now the equatorial point, that point is at an angle of 90 degree. तो हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे and we'll assume this point P is the equatorial point for this dipole. Okay, now we'll calculate the potential. First of all, we'll calculate the electric potential because of the charge which is at A. कितना हो जाएगा, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge कितना है यहाँ पर, minus q by the distance. Now what is the distance from A to P? If I join these two points, then here this is 90 degree. In this triangle, this point P is at a distance of r. Like in the previous case also, wherever we are calculating the potential, we are taking that distance to be r. यहाँ पर भी क्या है, P point कितने distance पर है, that is at a distance of r from the center O. Now here this distance is A, this distance is r. So how much this distance will be? It is equals to the root of a square plus r square. Okay, so here we have v equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So distance from A to P is equals to a square plus r square raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, similarly VB, what will be the value of electric potential at point B? Here I can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge q by the distance. So distance from P to B, here this distance is r, this is a, so this distance will be root of a square plus r square. So here I can write a square plus r square raised to the power 1 by 2. Now in order to calculate the resultant potential at point P. What we will do? We have to add both of them. Why? Because they are scalar quantities. So if you want to find the resultant, then we can simply add them. So total potential at point P, I can write Vp is equals to Va plus Vb. What is the value of Va? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by A square plus R square raised to the power 1 by 2. Then due to charge at B, that is equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, now here you can see both the values are same, but here we have negative and here we have positive. So I can write this Vp is equals to 0. इसका मतलब क्या है कि on an equatorial point, or you can say on an equatorial line due to electric dipole, the resultant potential is equals to 0. Okay, so this is all about the electric potential due to a dipole on the axial and on the equatorial point.